Good evening.
Hi. Do you have any vacancies tonight?
Yes, the rate is $50.
Do the rooms have internet access?
We have wireless. If you have a laptop, you can use the wireless network for an additional $5.
Okay, I'd like a room, please.
Would you like a smoking or a non-smoking room?
Non-smoking.
How will you be paying?
Visa, here you are.
How many people?
2.
Would you like a king-size bed or 2 double beds?
King size, please.
You're in room 237. It's on the second floor. Here's your key. Sign here, please.
What time is checkout?
11:30 am.
Thanks.
Hello, ABC Hotel. How may I help you?
Hi. I'd like to make a reservation.
Just a moment. Okay, for what date?
July 25th.
How many nights will you be staying?
2 nights. What's the room rate?
$80 a night plus tax. Would you like me to reserve a room for you?
Yes, please.
Your name?
MD. Jamshed Mojumdar.
How will you be paying?
Visa card.
Card number, please.
4198.
Expiration date.
25 December 2034.
Okay, you're all set. We'll see you on the 25th.
Thanks.
Welcome.
Today okay?
Sorry, I can't go today.
How about tomorrow night?
Okay. What time?
Is 9 p.m. all right?
I think that's too late.
Is 6 p.m. okay?
Yes, that's good. Where would you like to go?
The Italian restaurant on 5th Street.
Oh, I don't like that restaurant. I don't want to go there.
How about the Korean restaurant next to it?
Okay, I like that place.
Hi Millie.
Where are you going?
I am going to the store. I need to buy something.
Really? I need to go to the store too.
Would you like to come with me?
Yeah, let's go together.
Would you like to go now or later?
Now.
What?
Now would be better.
Okay, let's go.
Should we walk?
No, it's too far. Let's drive.